Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here from High Road Comics, and you're writing the HRC with High Road Comics. So check it out. I signed up for something new, one of those subscription things. It's only $14.99 a month, and it is Bro Tank Club. So check them out, brotankclub.com, or you could just go to flexcomics.com because that is where I got this. So check it out. Flex Comics sent it, and let's go ahead and see what I got. So as you can see, I've been doing a lot of Flex Comics unboxings. Gotta slow down a little bit because I got too many t-shirts, but they're really cool. Some of those designs, they're fantastic. Alright, so Bro Tank Club. Pretty much you're getting a shirt for 50% off. Oh, dang, I didn't know I got a white one. I thought I got the red one. But, check it out. It's a large. I don't have any white ones anyway. Athlete, whatever it takes. I don't know if I would work out in a white tee, but it's good material. I really like their shirt material that they use. Here you go, Flex Comics. Yeah, whatever it takes. So let's go ahead and check out their website, and we'll look at it together. I've shown you Flex Comics before, but have I shown you their website? Alright, so here's their website, Bro Tank Club. You know, they still got that Flex Comic stuff on there, so I don't know if they're going to start using different designs besides the workout stuff. This is the one that I thought I ordered, the black one. I mean, the white one's cool too, but I like darker shirts when I'm working out. So what they do is whatever their new design is for the month, you get it for 50% off. You could actually get on their mailing list, and that's how I figured out or found out about this, because I was on Flex Comics' mailing list. But here you'll see, get our best design each month for 50% off our normal price. Easily manage your account, cancel, pause, skip, anytime, no contracts. So yeah, that's that. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Here you go, the Bro Tank Club. It's a monthly delivery, and I got it pretty quick right after I ordered it. I think they'll let you know what it's going to be, so you have time to cancel it. If not, you know, yeah. But yeah, they've been around since 2013, so I've known about them since San Diego Comic-Con and WonderCon, and I actually got my wife hooked on them. I wonder if they're going to make a Cis Tank Club. I don't know. But yeah, it's straightforward. They do have the Razorbacks available, t-shirts, tanks, 50% off. Check them out. Shout out to Flex Comics. You're doing great things. Just keep doing what you're doing. See you at the next stop.